Good morning, it's Wednesday, December the 2nd, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got 3 press releases for you this morning, 2 from the Canadian side, 1 from the US side, and 1 halt to report on. Now, before we actually get down to business, it's reminder time, December 3rd and 4th, for the first time ever, the AGORACOM Online Gold and Commodities Conference. We're all very excited about it here, and we know there's been a lot of buzz on the street about this conference. We've got a lineup of great speakers, which includes our very own chief commentator and gold bull, Peter Grandich. We've got Coffin, we've got Kodrowski, we've got Ritholtz, and we've got former Sprott hedge fund manager superstar JF Tardif. These people are all here, and you can listen to them for free on Thursday and Friday this week. We've also got a lineup of 30 great junior resource companies. In this environment where gold is $1,200 an ounce plus, these are the kind of companies that you need to be looking at. So, December 3rd and 4th, 100% free right here on AGORACOM. Put it in your calendars. Now, let's get down to the news. Our lead story comes out of a company called Starfield Resources. They trade on the big board. That's the TSX under the symbol SRU. They also trade on the bulletin board under the symbol SRFDF. The company is providing additional core assay results from their Moonlight drill program. Now, the project contains 3 advanced stage copper projects. Previously, 3 angle holes were completed at Engels during the 2009 short drilling program, and initial copper assays for the first 2 holes were released on November 25th. Now, most notably out of those, we had hole number 2, which averaged 3.26% copper over 74 feet and 11.25% copper over 9.7 feet. So now what we're reporting on today are the silver assays from the same 2 holes, which include hole number 1 returned 41 feet of 40 grams per ton of silver, and hole number 2 returned 32 feet of 62 grams per ton of silver. So very respectable numbers coming out of Starfield this morning. A little bit about the company. They're an advanced exploration and development stage company. The company's primary asset is the Ferguson Lake property, which is located in Nunavut, Canada. The company's last at 11 cents, high of 32 cents, low of 7 cents, market cap of $53 million. Moving on to our next company, Freewest Resources. They trade on the venture under the symbol FWR, no stranger to AGORACOM. They are an AGORACOM client, just as Starfield is. I forgot to mention that disclaimer. So Starfield is an AGORACOM client, and Freewest is an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet. Freewest is announcing the exercise of warrants by Cliffs Natural Resources, Inc. This is a saga that's been going on for some time. The Freewest Ring of Fire assets are highly sought after. We've got a bidding war between Noront Resources, who trades on the venture under the symbol NOT, and by Cliffs Natural Resources. They keep outbidding each other. So Cliffs looks at, like, one of their other moves is that they've announced that they're exercising their warrants. So Freewest is going to issue 7.3 million shares to Cliffs at a price of 45 cents per share for proceeds to Freewest of $3.3 million. This is upon the exercise of warrants, which were done as part of financing in June. It was a $5.16 million private placement with Freewest. So a little bit about Freewest. They're a mineral exploration company actively exploring for gold-based metals and chromite within eastern Canada. Company's last at 80 cents, high of 80 cents, low of 12 cents, market cap of $160 million. If you don't know about the Freewest story yet, take a look at it, because this one is definitely in play right now. Moving over to the U.S. side, New Energy Systems Group trades on the bulletin board under the symbol NEWN. They're announcing that they've received a purchase order for lithium-ion batteries valued at approximately $2.2 million. The purchase order will be fulfilled over the course of the year ending December 2010. Company's last at $6.25, high of $10, low of 20 cents, market cap of approximately $34 million. Finally, getting on to the halts, I've only got one halt for you. Brain Hunter Inc. trades on the TSX under the symbol BH. They've been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure to join us here again tomorrow, and join us for the conference, which is taking place on December 3rd and 4th right here on AGORACOM.